X-49th, reliable, good guy, but mentally unstable.
49th, wasn't it you guys who dug up that evidence in the Harris murder case?
Maybe a mistake was made back then. Me finding the evidence and all that, I can't remember any of it.
He looks like a bum and seems confused.
He's turned his back on us.
Atlas will be back soon. I know it.
You're working closely with the 49th, right?
Bashir Precinct, yeah. The KDD is on it 24/7.
The Club of Lone KDD Wolves.
Musa Bashir killed himself.
Maybe they're connected.
What do you want from me?
I want to know everything that happened. You've destroyed so much. Do you even know what you're doing to us?
He loves you guys.
Do you even want to come back home?
What are you so scared of?
Tell everyone, Alice.
Do you have any idea what this logo is?
They'll kill anyone who touches the Harris case.
Who's they?
Question is, what else are they hiding?
It's all your fault, Atlas.
Where's my daughter?
I need to tell you something. We're no angels!
What did I do, huh? What did I do? Ah!